Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Jacqueline Saplabalad from Gumbawan at Jag Isabela. I'm 30 years old, married and blessed with two children ages 5 and 2. And I have two brothers. I graduated at Isabela State University with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 2 years, and I have served 4 members of the family, including two children ages 4 and 7. My duties are taking care of the kids, preparing and cooking meals, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, cleaning the house, ironing, grocery shopping, and many more. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper. You can trust me everything because I'm a loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.